Yeah, great. Good evening, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to discuss a program which prints only prime numbers. Let us know before that, let us know what is prime number. A number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself is called prime number. It means that a number should have only two factors. Let us take example 12. Okay, so 12 is divisible by 1. Yes, I think, yeah, 12 is divisible by 2, and I mean it means 1 into 12 is 12. Okay, 2 into 6 it's 12, 3 into 4 it's 12. I mean 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, and 12 is also divisible by 4, and 12 is not divisible by 5 here. Okay, but 12 has a lot of factors. Okay, and 12 is also divisible by 6, and 12 is divisible by 12. Okay, so if we go through the definition, a number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself is called prime number. But here 12 is divisible by many other numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 6 and 12. Okay, then it is not a prime number. Okay, it doesn't match the definition. Okay, let us take another example. Okay, because since 12 is not a prime number, let us take another example. Okay, so remember the definition first. Okay, a number should have only two factors. One is 1 and second one is the number itself. If we go through 11, okay, 11 has no other factors. Okay, 11 is divisible by 1 and 11 is not divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, but 11 is divisible by 11. It has only two factors. If I go through 5, okay, so 5 is divisible by 1, 5 is not divisible by 2, 5 is not divisible by 3, 5 is not divisible by 5. Sorry, 5 is not divisible by 4, but 5 is divisible by 5. It means 5 has only two factors, 1 and 5. Then 5 is a prime number. Okay, a number which has only two factors. One factor is 1. I mean one factor comes from one number and second number comes from the number itself. Then it is prime number. Okay, this is how we know the prime number. Okay, let us convert into program. So let us know how to write prime number program. So let us take a variable int a is equal to 11 and int I is equal to 1 and int count is equal to 0, because count will start with 0. Okay, count should be start with 0, and I'm going to start while loop. I'm going to give a condition a greater than equal to I forgot to give equal to symbol while writing loop, but while loop condition must be a greater than or equal to I, and I'm going to give a if condition a modulus I is equal to 0. And in this if condition, in this if block, I'm going to increase the count. And I'm at the last I'm going to update I value. I'm going to update the while loop. Okay, after while loop execution, I'm going to again use if block. So if count is equal to 0, I'm going to print system dot and out dot println of, so a is a prime number. If count is 2, then the number is prime number. Okay, if the count is not equal to true, I mean if count is not equal to, then the number is not a prime number. Okay, we will trace the program again at the end of the video. So when the count is not equal to 2 means it is not a prime number. So I'm going to write system.out.println of, okay, it is not a prime number. The program a value is not a prime number. Okay, okay, this is how we write a Java program to find a prime number. And again we are going to trace this while loop. Okay, you may get some doubts here. Where while condition is a greater than or equal to I, so I'm going to trace it. Okay, so when a value is 11 and I value is 1, so 11 greater than 1, which is true. And if condition executes, if condition is 11 modulus 1 is equal to 0, which is also true. If condition is true, when if condition is true, if block executes. Okay, I will increase the count. Okay, I have increased the count from 0 to count becomes 1. Okay, so after that I'm going to update I value becomes 2. Okay, I value initially was 1 and it became 2. Okay, again I'm going to check while condition. okay, 11 greater than true, which is true. Okay, so I'm going to check if condition. Okay, if condition is that, okay, 11 modulus 2 equal to 0, which is absolutely false. Okay, so if condition is false, if block does not execute. Okay, that you need to remember. When if condition is false, if block does not execute. When while loop condition is false, while loop does not execute. Okay, so again I'm going to update I value becomes 3. 11 modulus 3 is equal to 0, which is also false. Okay, it becomes false for every updation until it becomes 11. So when it becomes 11, again 11 greater than I mean when I becomes 11. Okay, so the condition trues. If condition is also satisfies, 11 modulus 11 is equal to 0, then count increases, count becomes 2. So when after while loop, when count is equal to 2, count is equal to 2, right? So the system that out that 11 is a prime number. When count is not equal to 2, we will say that it is not a prime number. This is how we write the program. There are other ways to write the same program. In coming videos we will also discuss them.